Here we have Benchmade's 484. This is the Nakamura. This is the Nakamura Access. Apparently at some point they made a version without the access lock. Again, I love the access lock. Great ambidextrous. You can use it either way without your fingers crossing the line of the knife so you don't cut yourself. Made in a very high-end M390. This knife is one of the favorite knives I haven't carried yet. It's just very unique, very interesting design. The finger grooves here are amazing for whatever you're going to do with it. A lot of thought went into this design. Nice small size, slim and compact, shiny pocket clip with the G10, and like I said, it's got these little finger grooves in it that really are quite comfortable. You get a thumb stud and the access lock, so you can deploy it with the thumb, or you can flick it with the thumb and then closing it with the access lock. Dual position pocket clip, so you can reverse that for left-handed. Again, super ambidextrous, and this is just, M390 is one of those steels that it takes an amazing edge and holds that edge for a very long time. Having said that, it is very difficult to sharpen, so get it sharpened before you go out into the field, because you basically won't be able to sharpen it out there. Check their website for current pricing, and all the specs on it, the size and weight will be on there as well. Thank you much.